Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Who's there? Hello. Good morning, everybody. Let's see who's live, who's with me. मेरे साथ कौन-कौन है आज? Okay, I can see Mahi is there. Okay. Who else is there? Arya is there. Hi, Arya. Hi, Mahi. Good morning. So, how's the morning going? Hi, Mahi. Hi, Arya. Who is this? Is it Priyansh or Riyansh? Yes, yes, Mahi. Okay, Arya, yes, I can see your name. Medhangsh. Okay, Medhangsh is there. Okay, let me tell you, जो हम हर क्लास में, yeah, I know Mahi. Yes, you joined my class. Okay, let me tell you both, all of you. So जब भी आप कोई भी comment लिखे, please write your name along with that. नहीं तो पता है क्या, या प्रियांश is there. नहीं तो I will not be able to understand who's typing. I'll forget here. सो आप जब भी कोई भी आंसर कोई भी चीज आप लिखोगे whenever you are writing something in the chat, write your name with it, okay? Because so many names will be there and all of them are different names. Okay, so I will not be able to understand who's typing. Okay, yes. Hello, yes, Priyansh. I know, Mahi. I also know you. How can I forget you? You're such a sweet girl. Yes. Okay, so welcome to our live session. And before we start, how's the Sunday going? Going all good? All good? Yes. I hope it is going good. It's a Sunday, so it's a fun day. I know. We'll just have this funny session. It's a full session full of fun. Let's have fun together. We are going to learn fraction. Yes, that's correct, Mahi. We are going to learn fraction. Wow, everybody told it's going good, super nice, and it's going to be full of fun also. Okay, so we are going to learn fractions today. Yay! Okay, so before we start, let's start with the star student of the week. So we all know what it is. हमें पता है हर week हमारे एक star student होते हैं, depending on how well you have done your homework. Correct? सो आप सभी लोग अच्छे से होमवर्क करोगे, एवरी डे होमवर्क करोगे. यू आर गोइंग टू बी हियर एज अ स्टार स्टूडेंट. यस, we all of us like Sunday, Mahi. It's the fun day, as I told. Let's start and see who's our star student. Two, one. Whoa, Siddhi Patel is the star student of the week. And Medhangsh. Wow, Medhangsh. Yay. A big round of applause. Medhangsh, you are in the class, right? Wow. I know, I got it. Wonderful, Medhangsh. Congratulations. Many, many congratulations to both of you. Medhangsh, so happy to see your face here. Yes. See, we all will try to get into this place, right? Yay. Big round of applause. So happy. Let's come now to the next. Okay, now this is a mystery moment. I love this part of the session. Steve, George, and Helen are drinking coffee. But Karen and David are drinking soda. Soda is like Cool drinks, sort of thing. Now answer me this. Is Peter drinking coffee or soda? Oh my God, this is a tough question. Is it? Steve, George, and Helen are drinking coffee. Bert, Karen, and David are drinking soda. Now answer me this. Is Peter drinking coffee or soda? अब इसका आंसर कौन देगा? ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता. Oh my God. I also don't know the answer. Let's see if anybody can. I'm waiting. Can anybody answer this question? This would be a fun question. Don't think too much. Who is going to answer this? Okay. Medhang said it's coffee. It's Medhang's, right? Yeah. Okay. Medhang said it's coffee. Okay. I also don't know. Arya said it's soda. Coffee. You know why? Because those who are drinking coffee, they are. Someone said nothing. So, those who are drinking coffee, they all have double E in their name. Steve, George, Helen. And those who are drinking soda, they do not have double E in their name. So Peter is having double E and hence he is drinking coffee. No, Mahi, it's not soda. That was fun actually. I also didn't know the answer. Yes. Okay, let's go to our topic now. So today's mission, what are we going to learn? We will learn first understand what is a fraction, and then from there we are going to learn half, thirds and fourths. Okay? First we are going to understand what is a fraction. And then in the fraction, these are the spatial fractions, we can say. Half, thirds and fourths. Okay? Now, before we go further, पहले मुझे ये बताएं कोई भी फ्रैक्शन मतलब है क्या? व्हाट इज अ फ्रैक्शन? क्या है फ्रैक्शन? अगर मैं फ्रैक्शन बोलूं, the word fraction, whenever I say the word fraction, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? What is it? Okay, Medhansh gave a very mathematical answer, which is part of a whole, and it is absolutely correct. But you know what? If I hear the word fraction, I remember pizza. Yay! Hey, hi, Siddharth. Mahi said tea. Okay, we are out of the tea now. I remember whenever I say the word fraction or I hear the word fraction, I can see the picture of pizza. I love pizza. Okay, you know why I remember pizza? Because pizza is something which can be easily seen as fraction. देखो इस पिज्जा को मैंने 4 sections में divide किया. Okay? Yes, I also. Whenever I hear fraction, I remember pizza. I love pizza. Now, see, I divided it into 4 sections. 4 section में इसको divide किया. And let me start eating. So I ate one portion of it. Now, what will be the fraction that I ate? There were 4 portions. 4 portions tha, which is the part of a whole. So, part is 1 that I ate and 4 is the whole because there were total of 4 portions. So, ये हो गया part of the whole. है ना? Yes, 1/4. So, देखो, this is what is fraction. Fraction मतलब पिज्जा है. अभी आगे से कोई भी पूछेंगे ना, what do you remember when you hear the word fraction? Always say pizza. Correct? So this is what is fraction. You have to remember how many total portions are there and from that how many you can eat. So let me now ask you, all of you. So you have all got a pizza. Who is there? Who are there? Let me write the names. Siddharth I can see is there. Mahi I can see is there. Medhanksh, I can see is there. Make me remember the names, huh? Medha, Medhanksh. If I have written the name correctly, I'm so sorry. Priyanksh, I can see is there. Who else is there? Who else is there? मैं सबका नाम लिख रही हूँ. Arya is there. Arya is there. Yeah, Siddharth, I have written your name. Arya is there. Anybody else? Have I missed anybody? Have I missed anybody? अगर मैंने मिस किया तो नाम बताओ अपना. If I have missed anybody. Priyansh, I have written your name, baby. Abhi mujhe batao. Now I'm going to ask you a question. So all of you have got one pizza. Same pizza jo mujhe mila tha, the one that I got. Okay? The pizza. Okay, Shubhra. I'm so sorry. Let me write Shubhra. Hey, it's Siddharth only, na? Why are you saying Shubhra? Siddharth, it's you, right? Okay, let me come back now. Tell me. So all of you have got one pizza. How many pieces you are going to eat? How many pieces you are going to eat and what will be the fraction of that? Quickly. How many pieces you are going to eat? Siddharth, how many pieces you are going to eat? And everybody, Mahi, Medhanksh, Priyanksh, Arya. Out of 4 pieces, how many pieces you are going to eat and what will be that fraction? चलो शुरू करो सब लोग अपना अपना. मेरे पास आएगा तो आई विल ईट ऑल द 4, बट आप लोग ऐसा मत करना. ओ देखो, मैंने बोला ऐसा मत करना तो शुरू हो गए ये लोग. Okay, 2 pieces. So what is the fraction? If it is 2 pieces, what's the fraction? Write the name, dear. Everybody write your name. If you're not writing your name, I wouldn't understand. Priyank said all 4 out of 4. Now this is like me. Priyank is like me. No, don't become like that. You're going to be, you should not eat so many so quickly. Eat it. Aram se. Yes. Who else is going to give me yeah, Siddharth said 2 out of 4. Okay, very good. What else? Priyansh also said, okay, Priyansh ने 4 खा लिया है, अब 2 बोलने से काम नहीं चलेगा. Siddharth said 2 out of, okay. Medhank said 2 out of 4. Mahi, your pizza is not cut into 6 pieces. It is cut into 4 pieces. So you can't write 1/6 or 1/6 you cannot write. ठीक है? Okay, Mahi said 1/4. Okay, Mahi is such a well-behaved girl. Nicely, आराम से, she's eating आराम से एक piece. Okay, Arya, what about you? Arya, okay, Arya said 2/4. I got everybody's fractions. Wow, great, great. Only Priyansh is like me, I can see. Priyansh, don't be like me in eating pizza, okay? Because you should eat slowly, nicely. Don't eat the whole thing. Okay, so great. So we all understood what is fraction. It's pizza. Sorry, it's part of the whole. Okay, let's go to next now. Equal and unequal parts. Now, एक बात समझते हैं, चलो. I have a pizza now here like this, which reached to me. ये बिना कट के आया मेरे पास. इट्स अनकट. इट्स नॉट, दे फॉरगॉट टू कट इट. ठीक है. अब मैं मेरे पास आया. इट केम टू मी डिलीवर्ड एंड आई एम कटिंग इट लाइक दिस. Okay, now can you tell me whether I can form a fraction from here or not? Mahi, it is not called 2/4, it's called 2/4. Okay, it is correct. Numerator is 2, denominator is 4, so that's called 2/4. Okay, let's come back here. Equal and unequal. So, if I cut the pizza like this, the pizza has reached me without cutting. क्या इससे मैं फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म कर सकती हूँ? मुझे 2 आंसर मिला, नो. प्लीज आप जो भी लिख रहे हो, प्लीज राइट योर नेम. सिद्धार्थ ने बोला नो. एंड हु इज दैट? माही. ओके, आई फॉरगेट द नेम्स डियर. वी कैन नॉट फॉर्म फ्रैक्शन. क्यों? व्हाई वी कांट फॉर्म फ्रैक्शंस? व्हाई? क्यों भाई, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? क्यों नहीं कर सकते? व्हाई? सबने नो बोल दिया. बट व्हाई? Why we can't form fractions? देखो ना, we have divided it into three sections, right? तीनों portion में हमने divide किया. So why can't we form fractions? क्यों मेधांश? Why? Okay, I think Priyansh tried to write the correct answer, first correct answer, because they are not equally divided. They are not equally divided. So, this is the first thing to form a fraction. First condition to form a fraction. Okay, yes, that's correct. Medhanksh, not equal. So, if you are cutting something in such a way that the portions are not equal in shape and size, then you cannot form a fraction. Okay, correct. So, I could have said it's 1/3, but it is not 1/3. This is not 1/3. It's not. Why? Because these three portions are not same size or shape. So, it cannot be considered as a fraction. Okay. Hey, hi, is that Neha? Okay, Khushi. Hi, Khushi. Please type your names, dear. Okay, now let's come to numerator and denominator. Who's the numerator and who's the denominator? Numerator is the part and denominator is the whole. Okay, so this is the part and this is whole. Oops, I have to write the name. I'm so sorry. This is going to be numerator and it's going to be the denominator. Okay, now Mahi was dividing it into 6 portions. Let me divide it into not 6, but let me divide it into more than. We have a few more guests in home. कुछ लोग आ गए तो बस हमने उसको थोड़ा छोटा कर लिया. अभी now who is going to tell me who is going to be the numerator here? What's the numerator? For this pizza, who's the numerator? Who's the numerator of this pizza? Hi, Ishwita. Good morning. Who's the numerator of this? I'm waiting for the answer. Okay, Siddharth, is it 2? Have a good look. Aryash said give the correct answer. Who's Triveni? I'm so sorry, I'm forgetting the names. Please write your name along with the answer. Ishwita, correct answer. Priyansh, correct answer. Is that Medhanksh? You said 3? Yes, the numerator is 3 because 3 portions are shaded, which means I have taken 3 pizza slices from the pizza. The numerator is 3. Yes, it's 3. Now, who's the denominator? Let's try to find out who's the denominator. Yes, Medhansh. Who's the denominator? I'm waiting for the answer. Okay, Siddharth gave the correct answer. Let's see how many more. Medhansh gave the correct answer. Very good. What's next? Ishwita gave the correct answer. Okay, again, Priyansh. Okay, this is Priyansh who gave the correct answer. So this is called this fraction. When I'm trying to say this in words, अगर जब मैं इसको word में बोलूं, तो मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा 3/8. 3/8. Okay. So this is numerator and denominator. Denominator is the total number of portions and numerator is the portions that has been taken out or eaten or given to somebody or maybe left out also. Sometimes you have eaten the rest, three are left out. ठीक है? आपने खा लिया या किसी को दे दिया या तो आपने रख लिया. मतलब वो portion, that is the concerned number of portions. Let's see now what is half. मुझे बताओ half मतलब क्या है? आधा. Adha is a very easy concept. If I have a sibling and me in home, we'll simply cut the pizza from the middle. हमें और पोर्शन बनाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. करेक्ट? क्योंकि yes, Mahi, all of you are correct. Mahi is correct. Arya is correct. Very good. Yes. Oh, Siddharth said 2/4. Medhank said 1/2. Arya said 1/2. And yeah, 2/4 also Arya has said. Let's see what it is. So, अगर मेरे पास 2 total slices है and I am taking out 1 from it, it's going to be 1/2. Okay, this is a special type of fraction, I would say, जिसका numerator है 1 and denominator है 2. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. Okay. So that is what is the concept of half. Now, yeah, 2/4, those who have answered as 2/4, they are also correct, because 2/4 can also be called a 1/2 only. Because if I divide it now from here, I'll get 4, 2 out of 4, but that is also eventually it is half. Finally, अगर मैं देखूं तो ये आधा ही है, पूरा पिज्जा का आधा है. So that will come later. We will learn about the equivalent fractions and all. तब देखेंगे. But right now it is 1/2 is 1/2. Yes. Oh my God. Arya has given a long list of all 1/2. Very, very good job. Now what is thirds? Thirds क्या होता है? कौन बताएगा मुझे थर्ड्स को मैं फ्रैक्शनली कैसे लिखूं? I want to hear it from you people, how to write it as a fraction. फिर मुझे तो मेरा पिज्जा ड्रॉ करना ही है. I will draw the pizza anyway. But you people are going to tell me how to write the fraction for the third, 1/3. Siddharth, what you did not understand? You did not understand the half? Okay, Ishwita gave the correct answer. And Ishwita and Arya and Medhansh, they gave the correct answer, saying this is 1/3. Siddharth, please explain where you had the problem. I'll explain it again. So my pizza, I'm going to cut into 3 portions and I'm going to take out 1 portion. Okay. Siddharth, that's half means you are going to cut the pizza or the apple and the chocolate into 2 equal portions. And I'm taking 1 out of that. That's what is half. Half, we keep talking about it, right? You have a chocolate, your friend is having a chocolate, you say, give me half of it. So he or she will break it from the middle and in equal 2 parts, they will divide and give it 1/2. That's all. Okay, correct. Now coming to 1/3 is, if I'm dividing my pizza into 3 portions, 3 equal portions, and I am going to pick up 1 portion from that. That is going to be 1/3. This is called 1/3. Okay, 1/3 is 1 as numerator and 3 as denominator. Now, who is going to tell me that is fine? That numerator, denominator, 1/3, it's absolutely fine. Now, what is 2/3? Who is going to tell me what is 2/3? 2/3. What is 2/3? Again, I will have my pizza. I'm not going to leave my pizza. You people are only going to tell me what is mathematically, what is the number. I am going to draw my pizza. So tell me what is 2/3? 2/3 क्या होता है? As a fraction. Okay, I got the answer from Siddharth. I got the answer from Priyansh. Wonderful. I got the answer from Ishwita. Very good. So 2/3 is the same thing I have divided it into 3 portions and I'm picking up 2 out of it. ठीक है? So 3 हिस्से में इसको डिवाइड किया, उसमें से मैंने 2 उठा लिया. So that is 2 as the numerator and 3 as the denominator. That's called 2/3. Okay? No, Mahi, it's not 1/3 anymore, dear. It's 2/3 that we are talking about. 1 numerator, 3 denominator is 1/3. 2 numerator, 3 denominator is 2/3. Okay? Correct? Understood? My God, Arya went to percentage also. I'm not going to percentage. Now, what is 1/4? Who is going to tell me? Fractionally, what is 1/4? और मुझे तो मेरा पिज्जा ड्रॉ करना है. What is 1/4? Who is going to tell me what is 1/4? I'm waiting for the answer. Okay, Priyansh gave the first correct answer. Very good job, Priyansh. My God, I don't think I've got any wrong answer till now. Siddharth also gave the correct answer. And Siddharth told something else as well, which is 1/4. So 1/4 is also called 1/4. 1/4, yes. Very good. So out of 4 portions, I'm going to pick up 1. Yes, Ishwita, correct answer. Very good. Yeah, Mahi, correct answer, but that's of the previous question, dear. We are right now in fourths. Okay, yeah, Arya, I can see your name. But where is the answer? Okay, now this is something important. First of all, 1/4 is 1 as numerator, 4 as denominator, and this is called 1/4. Now, let's come to this. If it is 3/4, who will be the numerator, who will be the denominator? कौन बोल सकता है मुझे 3/4 के लिए what is the numerator and what is the denominator? And then I'm going to draw my pizza because I love my pizza. Yes, 3/4 का न्यूमरेटर कौन होगा और डिनोमिनेटर कौन होगा, कौन मुझे बता सकता है? Mahi, we have covered the third already, beta. We are now in fourth. Yes, Ishvita, that's correct. It's Siddharth, it's correct. Mahi, you are correct. Yes. Very good. Arya, you are correct. This is how we write 3/4. And my pizza. Don't forget my pizza. That's 3/4. And how many quarter this will be now? अभी अगर हम क्वार्टर की बात करें, ये तो हो गया मेरा 3 न्यूमरेटर 4 डिनोमिनेटर. मैंने 3 पोर्शंस खा लिया 4 में से. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस बी कॉल्ड एज इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्वार्टर. ये कितने क्वार्टर बताएंगे हम? कितने क्वार्टर है ये? हाउ मेनी क्वार्टर्स आर हियर? Okay. 1/4 is, yes, 1/4 is for 1/4. For 3/4, how many quarters we should say? Yes, Arya is correct. Yes, Arya is correct. And who is this? Please write your name. You're not writing your name. I don't remember the name. So it's 3/4. Very good. So that's 3/4 because there are 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. 3/1/4 hai yahan pe. So Siddharth, yes, Siddharth is correct. That's 3/4. Okay. So I hope we understood what is half, what is thirds, and what is fourths. ठीक है? सबको समझ में आया? What is half, what is thirds, and what is fourths? Yes, Mahi, correct answer. Yes, Priyansh, correct answer. That's 3/4. Very good. Wow. Wonderful job. Now let's come to the questions. Which of this is divided into equal parts? ये बहुत आसान question. I know it's very easy. Pizza cut into 4 equal slices. Chocolate broken into random pieces. Equal parts कौन है इसमें? I know it's very easy. Answer कर लो. अभी I know that I'm going to get a long list of answers. Is it A or is it B? Yes, Mahi, that's correct. Okay, let's come to this and tell me which one is the correct answer. Which of this is divided into equal parts? Okay, Arya said it is. Arya gave the correct answer. Again, is that Priyansh? Yeah, Priyansh gave the correct answer. The correct answer is, yeah, this is, who's this? Is that Samanvita? I'm so sorry. Please write your name, dear, along with the answer. I cannot say your name. Correct answer is A, because I cut it into equal slices. If I don't cut it into equal slices, it will not form a fraction. So now, if a cake is divided into two unequal parts, can we call each part a half? Why or why not? Yes, 3/4 correct, Kushi. Okay, let's come back to this. If a cake is divided into two unequal parts, can we call each part a half? क्या होगा इसका आंसर? क्या हम इसे अनइक्वल पार्ट्स में काटने के बाद भी इसे हाफ बोल सकते हैं? Can we call it a half or no? We divided it into two parts, but it's not equal. They are unequal. No, Arya said no. Yes, it's a big no. Big no. Ishwita, no. No, 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 no. Correct. I got all the correct answers. No. Yes, because that's the first condition of forming a fraction. You need to cut the whatever you are cutting. It's pizza, chocolate, or anything, apple, fruits. You need to cut it into equal parts. If you don't cut them into equal parts, you can't call them fractions. अगर आपने equal part में divide नहीं किया, तो उसे fraction कहा नहीं जाएगा. Yes, Siddharth, very elaborate and correct answer. Priyansh, correct answer. Mahi, correct answer. Yes. Now let's understand. A basket has 10 apples. If 3 apples are red, what fraction of the apples are red? I want the answer in fraction. ये apple है, so I don't want to draw. मेरा favorite pizza होता, तो मैं draw करती. So अब बताओ. A basket has 10 apples. If 3 apples are red, what fraction of the apples are red? Mahi, probably your video is reaching to you a bit late. So I have to either answer you a bit late or I, अगर बहुत सारे आंसर आ गया तो मे बी sometimes I won't be able to see that also. But don't worry, I can see that you are giving correct answer. Okay, Priyansh gave the first correct answer. Then Arya gave the correct answer. Ishwita gave the correct answer. Yes, Medhansh, that was not correct. So write me the correct answer. Yes, 3/10. That's 3/10. That's correct. Arya, correct answer. Yes. Very good job. I'm waiting for a few more answers. कहाँ पे है? बाकी लोग कहाँ है? कितने apples red है? I'm going to wait for 5 or 6 more seconds and then we'll go to the next question. कहाँ है सब लोग? Okay, let's go to the next. Out of 5 balloons, 2 are blue. Write the fraction of 2 balloons. Sorry, blue balloons. Out of 5 balloons, 2 are blue. So total of, yes, correct answer है Khushi. Total balloon is 5. Blue balloon is 2. So what's the fraction? Yes, Mahi, your answers are correct. Khushi, correct answer. Ishwita, correct answer. Wow, very good. Siddharth, correct answer. Priyansh, correct answer. Wow. I keep getting the correct answers. So nice. So nice to see you. See your answers pouring in. Such a good, motivated team. Wonderful. I don't think I have got any wrong answer till now. Yes, Priyansh, correct answer. Arya, correct answer. Wow, not a single wrong answer. Big round of applause for the team. Yes, Medhansh, correct answer. Very good. Okay, let's go to the next. A chocolate bar is cut into three equal parts. What fraction is each part? Now ये each part के अंदर question and answer दोनों हैं. Yes. Mahi correct. So ये question में इसी क्वेश्चन के अंदर आंसर है. द आंसर इज इन दिस क्वेश्चन ओनली. A chocolate bar is cut into three equal parts. What fraction is each part? Wow, I got the, before I finish reading, I get the correct answer. Okay, I got the correct answer from Arya. And I think that's Medhansh. Okay, great. I'm waiting for one or two more correct answers. एक आधा और मिल जाए, I'm going to write the answer here. Such a wonderful job, guys. Very good. Very, very good job. Okay, where are the other people? I'm waiting for the answers. What fraction is each part? Ishvita, correct answer. Khushi, correct answer. Arya, I've already got your answer. Yes, correct. Sidhu, correct answer. Very good job. So it is 1/3. Okay. Very Priyansh, correct answer. Very good job. Wow. I got 6 to 7 correct answers within 10 seconds. My God. That's, oh, such a great thing. Next, in the fraction 3/4, what is the numerator? What is the denominator? So, yes, this is something which we just tried. Who's the numerator and who's the denominator? Who's going to tell me? Let's see. Let's wait for the answer. Oh, got it from Ishvita first. Yes, Mahi, correct answer. So numerator and denominator, I got the correct answer from Ishvita. That's good. I got it from Sidhu. I am waiting for more answers. Yes, Medhanksh, correct answer. Priyanksh, correct answer. My God. Arya, correct answer. Very good job, dear. All of you are doing so great. Khushi, where are you? Yes, Khushi, correct answer. Very good. My God. Before I utter the name, the answer comes. Wonderful job, all of you. A big round of applause for all of you. Very, very good job, dear. Okay, now it is time to identify the fraction. So, in both the cases, ये दोनों में हमें देखना है कि कौन सा portion shaded है. We are going to find out the fraction of the shaded portion. Okay, so first one we are going to start with what is the fraction of the shaded portion. ठीक है, ये गलती मत करना कि अनशेडेड पोर्शन का भी एक फ्रैक्शन होता है, पर हम यहाँ शेडेड पोर्शन का फ्रैक्शन निकालेंगे. यस, माही, करेक्ट आंसर. माही, विच क्वेश्चन यू आर आंसरिंग डियर? आई एम टेलिंग शेडेड पोर्शन. नहीं, शेडेड पोर्शन का आंसर फर्स्ट करेक्ट दिया है मेधांश ने. यस, नॉट अनशेडेड. सिद्धू, we are not talking about the other side of the cube. We are only talking about the side that is visible. Okay. Yes, Ishvita, correct answer. First correct answer given by Medhansh, then Ishvita. I'm waiting for more because I have got only two correct answers. Sidhu's answer, Siddharth's answer is also correct, but Siddharth, we cannot see the other part, so we will not talk about that. We'll only talk about the portion that is visible. Yes, Arya, correct answer. Very good. So it's 2/3. That's correct. Khushi, correct answer. Priyansh, correct answer. Because हमारे लिए सिर्फ 3 surface ही visible है. We can only see these 3 surfaces. So out of 3, 2 are shaded. So we are going to write it as 2/3. Okay. Where are you, Mahi dear? You said 1/3, right, Mahi? It's not 1/3, baby. It's 2/3. And this is the next one. So the next one is, I started already getting answers. Kushi, Medhansh, oh my God. Yes. I got started getting the correct answer for the second one as well. Yes, Siddharth. Thank you for understanding. Siddharth, so one more thing, the answer that you have given is not only correct, it's technically also correct, because if you simplify, you still get 2/3. But we are not writing that because that is not visible to us. So we are not writing that. Okay, Mahi, it is not 3/4. It's 1/4, because we are talking about the fraction of the shaded portion. Shaded portion means the orange colored portion. Okay, if you are talking about unshaded, then it will be 3/4. Okay, yeah, 2/3 is correct, Mahi. 1/4 is correct, Ishwita, for the second one. Priyansh, it is correct. Any more? Yeah, the first one is 2/3, Mahi. Correct. Wow. Yeah, I'm getting so many correct answers. Now let's come to the next question. It's how many parts should be shaded to show 2/4? So if I write 2/4, it's like that. Now, how many portions I should shade here to get this fraction? चलो देखते हैं कितना जल्दी जल्दी मुझे आंसर मिलता है. देखते हैं कि अगर मुझे 2/4 फ्रैक्शन अचीव करना है तो मुझे कितने बॉक्स को शेड करना पड़ेगा. कितने बॉक्स को मैं शेड करूं? ओके, सिद्धार्थ गिव द करेक्ट आंसर. कितने बॉक्स को शेड करूं? मेधांश, you need to give me the answer in number of boxes, not the fraction. Fraction I have already written. Okay, Priyansh gave the correct answer. Arya gave the correct answer. The first correct answer was given by Siddharth. Ishwita, correct answer. Medhansh, correct answer. Yeah, the previous question, Mahi, that's correct answer. So we have to shade 2 portions out of 4 to make this a correct fraction representation. Okay, Neha, it's not 2/4, baby. 2/4 is something that I have written. मैंने लिखा हुआ है. मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ कि कितने boxes को आप shade करोगे या color करोगे to get 2/4. Okay, correct answer. 2 we are going to shade. How many parts should be shaded to show 3/4? The second one. नेहा, आपको फ्रैक्शन नहीं लिखनी बच्चा, आपको बतानी है कि कितने. ये मेरे पास 4 पोर्शंस है, 1 2 3 4. इसमें मैं कितने पोर्शन को शेड करूं? या प्रियांश गिव द करेक्ट आंसर, फर्स्ट करेक्ट आंसर. कितने पोर्शन को कलर करूं? कितने पोर्शन, हाउ मेनी पोर्शंस आई शुड shade to get? Yes, I got correct answer from Ishwita also, Arya also, Siddharth also. So now let me start drawing the lines inside it. Yes, very good job. So I will shade 3 portions because I am trying to achieve 3/4. Very, very good job. Yes, Medhansh, correct answer. Very good job. Because I am trying to achieve 3/4. So I will color 3 parts. Kushi, correct. Yes, that's great. Yay, now we are going to wrap up. So what have we learned actually? You are going to tell me. What's the first thing that we learned? हमने क्या क्या सीखा बताओ. First thing that we learned is what is fraction? What is fraction? What is numerator, denominator? Right? Correct. Very good. Yes. Numerator and denominator. The next thing that we learned is equal and unequal, which is very, very important. Equal and, yes, correct, Arya. Unequal parts. This is very, very important because without this, we wouldn't understand whether a fraction is at all a fraction or not a fraction. This is very important thing. Always remember, a fraction can only be formed if they are divided into, if the whole is divided into equal parts. ठीक है? ये हमेशा याद रखो, ये बहुत 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 important चीज है. Equal and unequal. Correct. What's the third thing that we learned? What is? What's the third thing that we learned? Yes, Mahi, correct answer. The next that we learned is half, thirds, and fourths. Correct? Half is, what's the fraction for half? What's the fraction for third? And what's the fraction for 1/4? Half, the fraction is, yes, Siddharth, correct. That's one numerator, two denominator, one numerator, three denominator, one numerator, and four denominator. These are the things that we learned in the class. So we also learned shaded, unshaded. Fraction का shaded और unshaded क्या होता है वो भी हमने सीखा. But more or less, these are the things that we have learned. What is fraction? What is numerator? What is denominator? How we can get a fraction from, whether it is from an equal parts or unequal parts, which is very, very important. We have to remember. And then some special fraction, which is half, third, and fourth. My, it is half. Yes. Yes, Mahi. Yes, doesn't depend on you, baby. If you are getting the video later, you will answer later. That's not, yeah, that's not your mistake. Yes, half, thirds, and fourths. Now, yes, let's see who are joining here regularly. Yes, correct. And I can see those who have joined and those who have responded. Priyansh, Medhanksh, Siddharth, Arya, Ishvita, Mahi continuously was giving answer. If I'm missing somebody's name, Neha, Ishvita was there. Neha, what is your name, dear? You have joined with the Arya is there. Arya was also so regular. He has also answered some questions very fast. I can see Neha, but I can't see your name. I'm so sorry. Anybody else I missed? Medhanksh, I have told. All of you have, yeah, all of you have done so well. Yes, shading of fractions, Mahi, that's correct. Very good job. Now, this is something which I want to tell all of you. As at the starting, we have seen the name of our star students, and Medhanksh was one of them who's there in the class today. Again, many congratulations, Medhanksh. So we all can try to be there. हम सब कोशिश कर सकते हैं. अगर हमने रोज क्विज हमारे पास जो होमवर्क आता है वो हमने रेगुलर किया, करेक्ट किया, तो उसी के पॉइंट पे डिसाइड होता है कौन स्टार स्टूडेंट बनेगा. ठीक है? So every day do your homework correctly and don't miss even a single day's homework. If your point adds up to the highest, then you are also going to be the star student. Okay? Don't miss, even today also you have got a quiz. So once the class is ended, go and get this done. Who ruled this chapter? Oh my God, this is so tough to decide. I think everybody ruled the chapter. Everybody were answering so quickly. Wow. This was a wonderful team, Sunday morning, so much energy. What's the breakfast that you had? I always ask, oh my God. I think everybody ruled. Some people who joined from the starting was Arya, Medhanksh, Priyanksh. Then Siddharth came, and then there were Mahi. Mahi was joining from before the class started, and Arya was there. Those who joined later also, they were so good. Neha, I can see, joined later, but Neha was also good. Am I missing somebody? Khushi, okay, no, not Khushi, that is Mahi. Anybody else I'm missing? Oh, Ishwita was there. Yes. Ishwita, I think, joined a bit later, but Ishwita was also so good in answering all the questions correctly. Anybody else that I missed? Arya. Yeah, I know Arya. You're a boy. I'm not saying you're a girl. Oh my God, Mahi. Mahi had such powerhouse of breakfast. That's why. Yes. Who else? Who else? Am I missed anybody's name? If I've missed, I'm really sorry. But I know I have seen everybody's answer, and all of you were wonderful in the class. Okay, keep this energy, and once you finish the class, go and do your today's homework. Okay, Khushi. Yes, Khushi, Khushi. Yes, Khushi was there. Very good. Mahi was there, I think. Okay. Now, in the next class, we are going to get the winner again. We are going to get the winner of the whole week's quiz, and we are going to learn more about fractions. So, don't forget to join the class next Sunday as well. Okay? And you crushed it. All of you have crushed it. It was so well, such a good class with full of energy, full of positive attitude, full of answering the questions very, very, very quickly. Yes. Good job. Siddharth, yeah, Priyansh was there. Siddharth was there. Yes. Very good. Khushi, I think, is it Khushi or is it Mahi? Because I think this name is for Mahi. And I told Mahi's name so many times. Mahi was answering all the questions correctly. Everybody were. Very good job. A big round of applause for all of ourselves. And once you have done it, pat your back. All of you. You have done a very good job. Bye for today. Bye bye.